Post it, post it.
No, sir. Same issue will raise.
Mm,
Internal server error.
internal server error.
Yes, sir.
But why? Open the console.
Yes, sir. Ambitious handle.
Okay, wait. Optional biryani wala controller. Ambiguous handler method mapped for biryani slash 3. Okay. Okay then. Ambiguity is between the methods. Okay. We'll try to avoid the ambiguity. Okay. Open the controller. Okay. So actually, when you are retrieving the biryani by ID, no. So slash biryani slash ID and slash the curly braces and ID. Okay. So add an ID there. Just ID slash.
Sir, ID is already present, na?
Write it. Just ID slash. Yeah. So here type slash B type. Okay. Price slash B price.
Okay, sir. Here, like,
Okay, yeah, whenever we are fetching the data, it is okay. I mean, there is some confusion between the accessing the methods. That's why it is
now it's
handling
okay.
some record. Yeah, now relaunch and post it, then retry. Okay, now get that slash ID slash 3 slash 3. Now get that. Get.
Now it's showing null, sir.
Okay, something is happening now.
Yes, sir.
Why it is
Sorry.
showing now? Yes, Ganesha.
In my case, I tried add single product.
Hmm.
After single product getting retrieve the product, it shows null.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Simple. It's like that.
When you are okay then, got it. Biryani ID, biryani type. Okay. I think there is some issues in creating the methods of repository. Okay, so open the model once. I have one doubt. Open the model. Biryani. Okay. See. Okay, Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are retrieving the data, whenever you are sending the data. Okay.
Hmm.
So please check the 18th line of your code. Biryani ID. I should be capital.
Sir,
Okay.
capital. Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
already.
But when you are sending the data in the postman, you are using small I.
Okay, sir. Sorry for that, sir.
Yeah. Maybe this is the reason. Okay. So try to post it now. Try to post.
Sir, no need to return now.
No need to do. So let's try to post. I think server is on running. Biryani added now. Okay. Now get that value. ID slash 3.
Yes, sir.
Now it's working, na? Okay.
Yes.
Ganesha, please check the case of the variables. Please check the case of the variables that you are using.
Sir, now we can add.
Now we can add multiple elements. Okay, we'll try to add the multiple elements. Okay. See, small mistakes.
Yes, sir. Sorry for that.
No,
So we
sir.
have to experience it. Ganesha,
I checked all these things, sir. Yesterday.
everything is correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll
For a
try to.
display output, it shows biryani ID means nothing but product ID is equal to null. Biryani type is equal to null.
Okay, biryani type is equal to.
So I will show it, sir.
Okay, we'll check it. We'll check it.
Sir, no
Now
need to
we'll try
change it
to.
here, na, sir. Simply.
Biryani, add all list of biryanis you want to get. Add all
Post,
biryani.
sir.
I think, yeah, it's enough. No
Sir, I
issue.
think
Just
here.
try to post it. Try to post it. No. Actually, I mean, we don't need to get an element. Okay. Just okay. So save it. Save this and relaunch the program and try to add multiple products at the same time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go back. Hmm. Now post it.
Yes, sir.
What do you got?
Sir, I did.
Multiple elements added, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Okay. Retrieve. Retrieve the any particular biryani or
Sir, get all.
try to get all the biryanis.
Check.
Try to get all. Slash biryani. That's it, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go and type slash biryani get. Okay. Send.
Okay, sir. Now it's working.
We are getting. Okay. Now try to get the elements by using the name or type. Biryani slash type slash. Okay. Give the type. I want veg biryanis.
Sir, with this, I should check with that.
Type only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are getting.
Now it's completely working.
Yeah.
Okay.
The bloody eye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that.
Okay. Ganesha, share.
Sir, now can I push the code into GitHub?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
And try to implement more methods, no? I think we have discussed so many methods. 6 methods, no?
Yes, sir. I am implemented all the 6 methods.
Okay, then. Then push it.
Okay, sir.
Ganesha, share your screen. And Sahana, be ready with your code. We'll try to solve it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah.
I just run the program, sir.
Okay. Okay, we're adding multiple elements. You're adding only one element, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
You're
sir.
getting the.
No,
You're
sir, I
getting.
just get my thing, sir.
Okay,
It's showing
okay.
null.
Okay. You're posting. Okay.
Successfully added.
Value is added. Okay.
Getting that all the elements. Showing null 000.
Oh, okay.
This is one.
The values are not storing in the database, na?
Yes, sir. And normal this one.
Okay. Product name null ID 00. Okay, the default values are coming. Object is storing, but default values are coming.
And this one.
Okay. We'll try to solve it. When we are adding multiple elements also, it is showing some issue. Okay. Okay, the same issue, which is like a Priyanshu, no? Okay. So open the code, Ganesha. We'll try it.
Okay, sir. Private int all C.
Product ID. Okay. So no arg constructor, all argument constructor, entity. Okay, everything is there. Please check the spellings ID, name, price available. Okay. Controller.
Sir, product ID, product name, product price, and product available.
Should I mean open the code? Open the code. Code. Okay. Okay. Product price. Product available. Okay. Okay. Go to the controller. REST controller request mapping. Retrieving all the products. Posting the products. Okay. And adding all the products. Okay. Open the service. P1. Repo. Okay. Open the product repository. Everything looks familiar and good.
So here, the value is added small. Here I kept it name is thing. Is
No. That's a different thing. That's a method. This is a mapping tool. There is no issue in it. But there is one black sheep in your code. We have to find that. Value products. Request method post. Request method get all products. There's the issue. Guys, please help us, no? Please review the code. Ganesha, please increase the font size.
where sir?
You can go to the window. Go to the preferences. Preferences. Last one.
It's loading, sir.
Okay. And search for the editor. Or I mean, open the general. Click on the color and fonts. Where is the editor? There is editors, no? You can see the editors in general one. Click on the editors and click on the text editors. Where you can okay, click on the text editor, double click on it. Display tab with no, we have somewhere. Or search for color and font. Search for colors and fonts. No, we have a search bar, no? The search bar, type color. Wait, colors and fonts. Here type size. No. Where we can use it. Size, colors. Here we have to do, increase the size. Okay, click on the expand all at least. Search for size in the down. Okay, text font. Wait. Text font. Double click on it. Okay. Edit it. Edit. Click on the edit.
Where is it? It's loading.
Okay. Increase the font size. Seems to be good. Okay. Now it's visible. Products. Okay, scroll down. We're saving the product and getting the list of products from the database. Everything is clear, but where is the black sheep? Guys, please look into the code. If you find anyone suspicious, please tell me. Something is missing in the code. We have to find that. P1 products list. Okay, Ganesha, do one
Yes, sir.
thing. Remove these two methods. Remove these two. We can rewrite the code, okay?
So these two are these
Yeah,
one.
these
This
two.
one is execution.
Which one? Products is executing.
Yes, sir. Add
Okay.
product is executing, sir.
Okay, get method is not working, na? Get and add all.
Yes, sir. Get mend order.
Okay, remove the get and add all. Okay. Okay. So here, okay. So give the perfect indentation to her everything. Okay. So here, create a new request mapping. Okay, let's create a new method here. Okay. So this time we are writing a method for getting the products. Okay. Mapping method dot request method dot post.
Add all.
Now create them. Let's make it as a products. That's it. Okay, both values are same, na?
Product.
Get all products. Okay. Service dot. No. We are getting the values. So remove the dot and type the dot again. Here, get all products. No.
Product.
No. Get all products. No, this is we are getting the values. Change the method name also. Get all. Ganesha, we are getting the values. We are retrieving the values. Just type dot. Select get all products there. Both one. Okay, return this value. We have to return, na? No. Type the return in front of service only. That's it. Okay, save the code. Okay, and go back to product service. Okay, get all products, find all, and for each product list add, wait, product list, system product list, here a list, find all. Okay then. Hmm. Everything is cool. Save this, save the code, and relaunch the application. Guys, if you are having any doubts, if you are having any issues in the code, please share your screen. Okay, we are trying to solve every doubt today because today is lab day, no? So today, especially for the lab, we have to complete the biryani program, or okay, we have to complete the products program. Okay, I need 6 REST APIs. That's it. You can create any program. Okay, that's your wish. Either you can create the, the program for. Okay, it is running. You can create the program for biryanis. You can create the program for products. Okay, remove the. I mean, we didn't have the add all, na.
It's for wait, sir. It's loading.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Prashant, what is the project status, Prashant? Prashant, Rupa, Renu,
Yes, sir.
completed. Prashant?
No, sir. By the end of the day, I will complete.
Okay. Try to write the methods now, no? So if you are having any errors, you can figure it out, no? You are using OnePlus, no? Definitely output will work, no? It will work now. Product availability. Actually, you are missing the comma at product name. That's why it is showing issue. After double quotation, yes, comma. Available products are 3. Okay. So we are posting the value. No. Post it. And here we have to use the products. Okay. Now send. Sending the request. Okay, successfully added. Now try to get the value. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Ganesha, what's happening is, okay,
Sir.
so in your model, no, so please change your model. Okay, so open your model, product model. Okay, make sure your product, I mean, P should be capital everywhere.
Yes, sir. Everywhere is capital.
No, small, sorry. Try to change it to the small case. Don't change anything, try to change the values, that's it. Okay, save it, relaunch the program. I think this is the issue with upper and lower cases. Every time when you are creating the variables, no, we have to follow the camel case coding format only, right? But you mentioned the capital letters. Okay, that's why maybe the issue is coming up. Okay, now now add the product. Okay, successfully added. Now you can go. We got it, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's the issue with the uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Okay. Okay, try to add all products now. Okay, try to create a method for add all. Now it will work for sure. Add all products. Request body. And we need a list of products, no? Okay, say the get no add all products, na? I think you removed the method in the product service.
Yes, sir.
I mean, go to product service and click Control Z. Control Z. Save it. So here we can use the add all products. Yes, add all products. And here, Ganesha, we have to read the list of products, no? In the request body, you have to mention the list. Within the parentheses, you have to mention the product. We need a list of products, right?
Stop.
Why? What's happening?
Showing errors. Return service start.
We have to send the P1, na? Send the P1 there. That's it. Save it. Now relaunch. What about others? Astosh, long time no see. What's happening? Astosh, Ankit, and Yogesh. Yogesh doing something. But we don't have Sandeep. Sandeep facing a lot of issues in
Yes.
nowadays. Yogesh, is everything okay?
Yes, sir, I'm done with 3 methods.
Okay, very good. Very good, very good. And what about Rahul? Rahul, Rupa, Shika Sharma?
Sir, I'm working on
Okay,
it.
Sir, I will send it by the end of the day.
okay. Shika, Paras, Nishant, Sahana. Issue not solved, no? Till now.
No, sir.
Okay, we'll fix it today. What about Divya, Astosh? Astosh, are you there? Paras, what is the project status, man? Cut it, cut it. We need a list, so you have to use the square brushes. Change the product ID also, no? Okay. Received two links from Priyanshu and from Ketan. Very good. And Preetya and Sahana also doing something. They send the products. Post it. I mean, we have to change the mapping, no? Add all. A should be capital in add. Okay. Now send it. It will work for sure. Sending, sending, sending. Yes, we did it. Now retrieve all the products.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, got it.
This is the issue. Camera.
The camel case coding we have to follow. You see how important it is. Okay, using the camel case coding is very, very important. Okay,
Yes, sir. We will do rest of things.
okay. So, and Sahana, it's your time.
Yes, a few minutes.
Okay, if you are done with everything, no, if you guys are done with everything, today we can discuss the SQL properties. Okay, so how to save the details, how to save everything that we are updating and retrieving through the postman in the SQL. Okay, we can save the data permanently in SQL. We are using the Apache Derby software, na? So instead of using Apache Derby, we can use the MySQL as our central database. Okay, today I don't want to tell anything. Okay, just I will explain you how to deal with MySQL in the project. Okay, only the MySQL thing today. Okay, so because today is lab day, everybody has to send the project. Okay, so I'll give you the time. Okay, after 12. Okay, I'll take the class till 12 or 12:15. Okay, after 12 o'clock, no, you have to complete the project while you are in a session. Yes, Sahana, you can. Yeah, you can. What about Pooja, Gunjan? Gunjan, what is the project status? Gunjan, Divya.
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay. Okay. Biryani price, okay. Okay, issues in custom values, okay. No class definition. Biryani wala controller, biryani controller. Wrong name. Biryani controller is wrong name.
But I placed the.
Okay. Class not found exception. Only the class not found, no? Okay, open the code. We'll try to fix it. Actually, your screen is blurry to me. biryani controller. Okay, biryani controller. Okay. Add biryani. Okay, open biryani service. Scroll down. Okay. Okay, save this. Some changes is made. No, you didn't save the result. Save. Control save. Control S. Sorry. Open biryani repository. Save. Okay, now actually try to relaunch the program and show me the output so we can check what is the issue with the output. Okay, then we can try to fade it out. Okay. Okay, you're unable to run the project also, no? Error in creating the name with wait. Project argument resolve post processor resource. I don't know what is this. Project bean creation exception. Okay, bean creation exception is nothing but so it is unable to creating the object for us. Okay, so I mean scroll left. I want to see the back left. Okay, wait. I mean scroll left again. Okay, web projects, project arguments, projecting argument resolve register dot class. Okay, MBA biryani wala. Okay, I mean scroll up. No class. It is blurry. Wrong name. Okay, biryani controller. Biryani controller. Okay. Okay, open the console. I think there is an issue in naming the Java files. Okay. I mean, close the console. Yeah. Wait. Calm down, biryani wala. Okay, I mean, open the main file. We can check with the main file. From the main file, we can check. Okay, so this is the main. Okay, annotations are there. Run. Okay, wait. MBA biryani application dot class. Okay, arguments. Okay, seems to be good. Okay, now open the controller. Open the model. Wait. Entity getter setter. Biryani. Okay. Okay, wait. So I found one thing. Just scroll down. I mean, go to the auto wide. Biryani services. I mean, better to increase the font size, na, Sahana. Actually, it is very blurry to me.
So how to do, sir?
Okay, go to appearance. Actually, preferences. Click on the preferences, Windows, preference, and search for color and font. Okay. So already you are opened that font, na? Okay, wait. So here, okay, scroll down. Mm, okay. Actually, you will get a something like font or a, no. I mean, here search for font size at least, size or a font. No, just type for text. Okay, wait. Now scroll down. Text space font. You have double click on it. The last one, text font. Now increase the size. Size. You have 10, 12, 13. No? So make it as a 16 or 18. Don't change the font. Change the style. That's it. No, Calibri or something. The first one. Okay. Okay. Now it's better. Biryani service. Private biryani service as a service. Auto guided. Okay. I mean, press the control button and click on the biryani service text. Press the control button and click on the biryani service. No, in the 20th line. Control and click. Yeah. Okay. Biryani service is clear. Biryani repository, private biryani repository. Guys, please find the issue. Private biryani repository. Why we are unable to get that? Okay, open the console now. We'll check again for the perfect error. Wait. Wrong name. If we try to get them, if we try to delete methods from repo and rerun. Okay. Actually, Sahana, open the repository. Ketan telling something. Open the repository, biryani repository. Okay. Okay, actually remove everything from here. Just Control X. Or you can comment if you want. Okay, save. Okay, save. Now relaunch the application. Okay, we'll get some errors that is in the service layer. Okay, open the service layer. We will try to comment it out. Open the service layer. In the service layer, you will have some errors. Okay, so write a comments there. I mean, before written, no, just give the single quote. Just make it as a comment. That's it. Save. Now you are not having any issue, no? Okay. Now relaunch. Relaunch the application. Let's see what will happen. Okay. No class definition found error. What is error? Okay. So we are getting the error in the controller only, na? Okay, we can do one thing. Okay. So open console and open the repository. Click Ctrl Z. Save. Okay. Actually, now close the controller. I mean, open the controller. Copy the code. Copy the main code. The code which you written in the method. Copy the all the code which you written. We are going to delete that controller. Copy the code from the 19th line. No, from only 19th. That's it. Copy it. Copy it, no? Now delete the file. Delete the entire package. Yeah, very good. Okay. Now we won't get anything. No. This is the issue that you are doing. Okay. So click on the main package, com.biryaniwala package. Main package, com.biryaniwala. Click on that. Okay. Now click on new and create a new Java file, new class. Okay. So package name should be biryaniwala.controller. Okay, don't use the capital letters in the controller. Okay, here in the name you can use the capital letters, biryani controller. Okay. Now actually you can do one thing and import biryani service and import everything that you have. Okay, Sahana, initially remove the every method other than post and get. Remove the every method. Remove the every method except post and get. Either you can delete or you can make them as a comment. Anything is okay. I mean, controller should contain only two methods. Okay, Sahana, let's change it. Okay, you are having the post biryani and show me. You are having get value biryani, get all biryanis and posting the one biryani. Okay, fine. Now save the code and relaunch the application. Still we are having issues. Where we are having issues? Biryani controller. Array, again we are getting the issue. Okay, scroll down. From which file we are having the issue? Okay, wait. Error creating the bean name, transaction annotation, proxy, transaction management. Okay, wait. Stack Overflow. Wait. Bean with the name of project argument resolver, bean post processor. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Actually, did you created any aspect? Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Anisha. Okay.
Yes, sir. I am.
Okay. Open the aspect code. I think you have write some messed code in the aspect. Try to delete the code in the aspect. Biryani aspect. Sorry, biryani aspect. Remove every code, every line of code. Remove it. So Control A and delete every line of code. Yeah, including everything. And the creation of the class also in the 14th line also. Make them as a comment. Okay, remove. Wait. Okay. So if you. Okay, that's fine. Okay, chalo. Save this. Okay. And now open the biryani controller. In the biryani controller, you are having some issue, I think so. Where you are having the issue. Okay, save. Still it is showing issue? No. Okay. Okay, relaunch.
I think she missed the rest controller annotation.
In the controller?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we created the new file, na? Okay. Rest controller annotation at 14th line. One four. Import that. Guys, if you want to learn the language or if you want to learn the framework, you should get an errors. Okay, by solving the bugs only, you will get an experience. Okay, writing the code or creating the project doesn't make any sense. Or doesn't make you master in the programming language. Okay, so if you want to be mastery in the programming language, you have to get errors. You have to solve the errors. Bugs tracing is one of the greatest hobby. Okay, something has happened. No? Okay, that issue is normal one. Okay, now open the postman and try to push something. Okay, biryani is not found. Huh? Okay, I mean check with the value that you have mentioned. Not here in the controller. Check with the value, mapping value. Posting biryani. Okay. 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 Open the console. If everything is cool. It is a JSON type.
R is missing from biryani
Where?
in the postman.
Okay. Very good, Pranshu. Now try to get that value. Okay. Again. Okay. Check with the mapping value first. Okay. Biryani slash. You have mentioned biryani and slash also. No, no, no. Don't remove. As of now, don't remove. Okay. So give the slash here. Yeah, we are getting. Okay. Sahana, I think you wrote the aspect, na? So there is some issues in the aspect. That's why you are getting the, issue. Okay. Now you can work on it. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Guys, anybody having any issue? Nishant, Yogesh, Astosh, Paras, Rahul? No? Okay. So can I explain the MySQL properties? So how to connect our Spring Boot application with MySQL, the iconic MySQL. So we are
Sure.
waiting for this class from a long day. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, again, I want to work with the Biryani's project only. Okay, so I'm going to work in the Biryani's project. Just wait, it is stuck. From the morning onwards, my computer running very slow. I don't know. Which one is it? Stop with this not. I think it is a time to change the laptop. Okay, sorry. And let me close everything. I think my laptop getting inspiration from Ganesha's laptop. Isn't it, Ganesha?
Yes, sir.
Array.
Yesterday connected my system, sir. That's why it's happened.
we connected to the NGS, no? Maybe. So this laptop got impressed with your laptop. Array, yaar, come on. Let me close and reopen this. Ramchandra. No, I don't want to end my process. Actually, my laptop is very good boy, but sometimes maybe I opened my laptop in Durmuhurtam today. That's why. Come on, yeah. I'm going to kill you. Come on, let's open. Even it is taking so much time to open the task manager also. See, Spring Tool Suite is taking 330 MB. Heavy, no? And this very Google Chrome. See, actually I opened one tab or two tabs in the Google Chrome, but it is taking 5 or 6. See, it is taking almost 300 MB to run. Why Microsoft Edge open? See, internally this many files are running. So I'm having some issue on the service layer, but I don't know. Okay, actually, guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till now we worked with the basic database called Derby, right? So today we are going to work with MySQL. Okay. So the changes that we are making, the content we are pushing, okay, the content we are retrieving, all things can be happened through the MySQL only. No Apache Derby software. Okay. To work with MySQL in the Spring application, okay, obviously we need one dependency. Okay. Do you know what is the dependency that we need? What is the dependency that we need to work with MySQL? Anyone? Only one dependency we
Yes.
need.
MySQL connector.
Yes, very good. So we need a MySQL connector to communicate with the MySQL, right? So we need a driver. So the driver is nothing but a MySQL connector. So you can get the MySQL connector from either from the Maven, or while creating the application, you can get that. Okay. But we are using some existing project, no? So that's why I'm going with Maven. Okay. Maven MySQL connector. Okay. In the meanwhile, let's check whether the project is open. Yes, project is open. Okay, so this is our project actually. Okay, biryani controller, MBA biryani wala. This is the controller, and this is the service layer, and we have the model also, and we have the model file also. Okay, this is the model. Okay, and I don't want to mention any table name. Okay, so guys, this is the model flash. Okay, this is the controller that we are working. Okay, we have 6 controllers. One is to add the biryani, one is to add multiple biryanis, one is retrieving all biryanis. Okay, and the remaining 3 is retrieving the biryani with ID, retrieving the biryani with type, retrieving the biryani with range. Okay, we are having these types of controllers in our biryani controller, and we have 6 methods in the biryani service as well, and we have the repository. In the repository we created 2 custom queries. Okay, 2 custom queries we have mentioned. Okay, so this is the project that we are working till now. Okay, now to work with MySQL, okay, we are using the Apache Derby software to store the database locally. Okay, but we don't need Derby software to maintain the data. Okay, central database. Okay, if you want to maintain the real-time data, we need a one SQL type of database. Either we can go with the Oracle database, or we can go with MongoDB, we can go with PostgreSQL, but we can go with MySQL also. But our most favorite is MySQL, so we are going to work with MySQL only here also. Okay, so to work with MySQL we need a one connector, right? So that connector is nothing but MySQL connector J. Okay, so here you can type Maven MySQL connector in the Google. Okay, so here we have to copy the MySQL dependency. Okay, so you can use anything. Okay, 8.0.29 or 8.0.28 also. Okay, hey, come on Baba. Okay, so this is the MySQL dependency, and copy the dependency and open our pom.xml now. Okay, this is our pom.xml. Here in our pom.xml you can find the Apache Derby software. Okay, so yes, here you have the Apache Derby. Okay, this is the Apache Derby. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, remove this from the dependencies. Okay, remove this from the dependency. Okay, and paste our MySQL connector J. And obviously you know that we don't need the version here. Okay, we are using the Spring Boot now. Spring Boot will download the required version automatically. Okay, you can mention the artifact ID and group ID, that's enough. Okay, and it is building the project. Just wait for a few minutes and things will be downloaded. No, building, come on, setting class path containers. Okay, that's done. Okay, now you can go with the Maven dependencies. Okay, please check for MySQL connector is available or not in the class path. Where is this? Okay, we have it. Okay, we have MySQL connector J 8.0.30. It is download. Okay, the version. Okay, 8.0.30 download automatically by the Spring Boot application. Okay, so we don't need to mention the version of the software that we are using. It will download the required version automatically. Okay, now so we have created the we're using the MySQL connector J, and our project is ready to work with MySQL connector. Okay, so we can save all the data which we are using in the MySQL, but okay, we need some details, right? We need to mention the URL for our database. We need to set the username and password and everything for our database, right? So first let's create the one database. Okay, let's create one new database in the MySQL workbench. Okay, open MySQL workbench. Okay, we are running four greatest things at a time. Okay, one is Google Chrome, one is MySQL server, one is Postman, and one is Eclipse. These are heavy like a hell. Okay, let's create the new database. Just wait, it will open. I know it will take some time because it's heavy. Okay, open. Okay, so here we have the new connection. Click on the new connection. I hope the server is running. If the server is not in running, we have to start from the yes, server is in running. Okay, if your server is not running, okay, you have to start your MySQL server from service layer, services, Windows services. Okay, this is our MySQL workbench, no? So here, okay, so actually long time no see na MySQL workbench. Okay, so here we have to create one new database. Create database. Okay, so biryani wala. Okay, create database biryani wala. Okay, and let's see the database is available or not. Show biryani wala. Sorry, show databases. Okay, to display all available databases, we have to use the show databases command. I mean, that's a query. Okay, so these are all the different databases that we are having. Okay, we want to use the biryani wala only, right? So use biryani wala. Okay, using biryani wala. Now, okay, you can see the different tables available in biryani wala. Show tables. Okay, run. So here we are not having any tables in the biryani wala. That's why the number of tables in the biryani wala is 0, empty. Okay, now we want to create the table named as biryani in the biryani wala, okay, by using the Hibernate. Okay, so we are using the JPA na, so we have so many JPA annotations. By using the annotations only we can create na. So to create, I mean, to create the table by using the Hibernate, we have to use one property. Did you remember the property? To create a table by using the Hibernate itself, we have to write some properties. Did you remember that? Anybody? Hello?
Sir, HE2 DMLL.
HBM to DDL. Okay. So we have to configure several things in the our application right now. Okay, we created one database, so we have to connect our database with our application. We have to mention the username, password, and driver name, class name, so on. So things we have to mention, right? So we have to mention those things in the application.property file. Okay, if you created your Spring application by using the Spring Starter methodology, okay, if you create your application by using Spring Starter methodology, you will get application properties by default. Here you can see we have src main java and src main resource, right? So in the resource folder you can find application.properties. Here we have application.properties. So here we have to add the few details. Okay, in the application.property file we have to configure our MySQL with our project. Okay, so actually we created some loggers, we created a logger. to store the data and everything. Okay. Uh, okay.
Sir, you are not audible.
Hello. What happened to this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's audible or it's audible from starting only? Hello.
Sir, when you open properties, then no voice, sir.
So did you heard about this driver class name?
No, sir.
अरे यार, I thought you're not answering. Okay. So actually, okay, we have to set some properties, no? So the properties is nothing but the class name of the driver, MySQL driver, and the URL of the database, the username, password, all these things we have to set it to the MySQL, right? So we are setting those values. Okay. First of all, I want to set the class name of the MySQL driver. What is the class name of MySQL driver? The class name of MySQL driver. In some sports, okay, you have to say, I mean, you have to configure your application like this in the application properties. Okay, spring dot data source dot. Okay, here I want to give the driver class name. Okay, driver class name. C should be capital and N should be capital. Okay, so here we have to define our name for the driver. Okay, our driver name is com.mysql.cj.jdbc
JD.
dot driver. Very good. Finish. Okay, click on the finish. Okay, don't click on enter, just click on the finish. Okay, now we have to set the URL for our database. What is the URL for our database? Did you remember? Spring dot data source dot URL. Okay, here we have to mention the URL of our application, that is jdbc colon mysql colon slash localhost, and we have
Localhost
to set the
port number.
Yeah, what is the port number that MySQL is running?
3600.
36? No. Confusion. It's 3306, man.
3306.
Okay, 3306 slash. Okay, what is the database that we created? We created the Biryani Wala. Biryani Wala. Okay, and click on the finish. Okay, now we have to set the username and password also. And we have to set the dialect also, no? So let's set the dialect first. Spring dot, okay, data source dot username. Okay, so I'll set the username and password, then we can set the dialect and everything. Okay, username is, what is the username? Default username is default
Localhost.
username.
System.
No,
Root.
root. And we have to set the password also. Spring dot data source dot password. Okay, here we have to enter our password. Okay, click on finish. Now we have to set some JPA properties, guys. Okay, some JPA properties is nothing but database dialect. Okay, Hibernate. I mean, we have to create the tables by automatic. No, so we have to set some, some properties of JPA. Okay, so here first of all we have to set the database dialect, that is spring dot okay JPA. Okay, these are JPA properties, not the database properties. Okay, these are the JPA properties. Okay, so database platform, dialect means database platform. We are using the platform of org.hibernate. This is the database dialect, guys. org.hibernate.dialect. Please make sure about the spelling. Okay, so I'll forget the spellings. MySQL 5 dialect. I hope the spelling is correct. MySQL dialect. Now we have to set the two more properties for our application. Okay, these two are alternatives. Okay, optional, I can say optional. Okay, so spring dot jpa dot. Okay, if you want to create the tables by yourself, okay, you can create the tables by yourself in the MySQL workbench. But if you want to create the tables by Hibernate, so you have to set some properties called jpa dot hibernate dot ddl auto. So here you can create, okay, you can mention the two values, either create or update. So here I want to update. Okay, don't create. What is the difference between create and update in the ddl auto? What is the difference between update and create in the ddl auto? Those are JPA properties. No, we discussed those things in the JPA only. So what is the difference between create and update?
Sir, in create, a table is created every time.
Okay.
But in update, if a table is already exist, so it makes changes in it.
Very good.
It do
So
not
if the
return.
table is already existed in the database, it will just update the value. Okay. If the table is not there, okay, so it will create the table. If we create the, if we use the create option, no, so it will override the tables. It will override the table every time. Okay, so that's why. So here, okay, I'm using the update value only, and we have to set another property. Okay, so can you guess the another property? Can you guess the another property? So SQL. So we are using, okay, so SQL option in the properties of Hibernate file. Okay, so here spring dot jpa dot show hyphen SQL. Either you can make it as a true or you can make it as a false. Okay, if you want to see the SQL commands that running behind the Hibernate, you can make this as a true. Okay, if you don't want to see, you can make this as a false. By default it is false. Okay, save. Okay, now you can see the sources. Okay, these are the different sources. Okay, and let me save this. Guys, please wait. Sir, good morning. Yes sir, yes sir, yes. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so these are the different properties we are mentioning here. Okay, so actually here, okay, by default these slashes are added, no? So let's remove the slashes. We don't need slashes here. That's it. Okay, save the all the five properties, guys. Okay, so this is how you have to write the properties for your application. Remember. Okay, that's it. Okay, you have to add two different things. One is you have to add the dependency of SQL in the pom.xml, and you have to write the properties in application properties. Okay, now that's it. You are ready to set. Okay, now you can, okay, save the details and everything. Okay, so let's save it. Let's run the project. Okay, we are excited to run the project because this is the first project, okay, to work with, and we are having some issues here. I can see some issues. Let me check with the issues where we are having the issues. Okay, some things are downloading, maybe that's why. Just wait. Today my laptop is a bit slow, no? Oh, there is an issue with parent. Why? Mm-mm. Okay. Okay.
But
So
I
if
think
you are
slash
having
in upper one.
slash,
Slash.
no, this is a starting, no? Parent
Okay,
is
sir.
starting here. Okay. Actually, I'll try to update the project. If we update the project, no, some errors will miss for sure. And today my laptop is hanging a lot. Marvin, update the project. Okay, if you are having any issue in the pom.xml, no, just update the project. Updation of the project will solve half of the issues for sure. Let's check whether it will solve the issue or not. 48%. Come on, come on. We didn't do anything in the pom.xml, no, except adding the thing. Yeah, see the issue gone. So whenever you are updating something in the pom.xml, you have to update the project. Okay, just update the project. It will solve all the issues. Okay, somebody is joined. Preeti. Okay. Okay. So issue resolved. Now you can open the main file. Where is the main file? Okay. So just double click on this. Go to the run and run as a JPA or boot application. Run as Spring Boot application. Okay, let's check in the console. In the console now you don't get any error for sure. Everything has to run perfectly in the console. See, something is running. Why it is opening the error log every time? Okay, just wait. We have to wait for Tomcat. Oh, now we are getting some issues. Unable to load the MySQL 5 dialect. Okay, guys, please check the spelling of the dialect and please check the case of the dialect that we have to use. And just give me a minute. Hello. చెప్పండి. ఏమో నాకేం తెలుసు. పట్టుకెళ్ళి ఉంటుంది, పట్టుకెళ్ళే ఉంటుంది, నాకేం తెలుసు. నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. And just wait, it is down. Actually it is updating now. Wait. And let me check with the driver, I mean the database platform, I mean MySQL dialect. Please check the spelling, no? So I used MySQL 5 dialect so and so. Please check whether it is correct or not. Okay. It is loading. Okay, it's done. Arey yaar, what's happening with this? Okay, yeah, we got some issues in the project. That is, okay, we are having the issues in loading the class. Okay, could not load the class called MySQL dialect. I am losing interest. Don't know what's happening with my laptop today. Again, it is doing something. See. Ramachandra Prabhu. Somebody messaged. Google Chrome is not opening. Okay, sir. Gopal, sir. Okay. Guys, go to the console. Here we are having the one issue, like, so org.hibernate dialect.mysql 5.
Hello, sir. I think
Yes.
Y should be small in MySQL 5 dialect.
So my
Okay.
Y.
Okay,
And
let's check.
dialect only D would be capital.
Okay. My Y should be small. Very good. And yeah, it's done. Let's check. Let's rerun the application. Relaunch. Now let's wait for a few minutes. Let's go to the console. Hope everything will be fine. No? Okay. 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 Dialect, checking for the dialect. Okay. We got it. You can see. Okay, one query is running. Create table biryani. Okay. But again, okay, we are having the issue. Okay, that is okay. 8080 port is already in use. Okay, maybe another project is using the 8080 port. Okay, so let's do one thing. No, so go to the application properties here. Kill everything. Relaunch the application. Some message. Arey, don't send me messages. Pick it out.
I think sir is messaged you. Gopal sir is messaged you.
Okay, sorry. Sir, actual number is 27, but active members are 24. How many we have? 22, no? 22. Okay, so actually compile the application one more time. Biryani wala is running. Let's check whether it is started. Okay, the port is already in use. Okay, so we can change the port number. No, so what is the port command to change the port number? Did you remember? Anybody? So we changed it, no, on time. So we try to change the Ganesha's laptop also. What is the property? Okay, to change the port number. Hello guys, are you there? Message again. Okay. Guys, Ganesha, did you remember how to change the port number of the Spring Boot application?
Server.port.
Application properties, sir.
In the application properties, we have to add
Server.port.
yeah, server dot port. Okay, and we can use something like 4200. Okay, I'm using 4200 port number. Okay, save this. You can see the port number here. Okay, port number is 4200. Okay, let's try to run this MBA application as Spring Boot application. Okay, run as Spring Boot application. Okay, let's open the console again using the dialect. Okay, Tomcat is started. You can see Tomcat is started on 4200 port. Okay, and table is already created. No, so in the previous run only table is created. Let's check whether table is created in the database or not. Open the database. Okay, now run the command show tables. Okay, just wait, it is fetching. Yeah, we have the biryani table. Okay, so we have one table called biryani because we created the table we are using Hibernate. Okay, we are using one property called, okay, DDL, hibernate to DDL command, no? So there we are using update, okay? So that's why the table is created. Now let's try to add some values into the table, okay? So I want to push some values into the table, okay? So let's take the help of controller. Okay, so to add all biryanis, okay, to add a list of biryanis, we have to use one, okay, mapping value called biryani slash add all. Okay, so I'm using that. Okay, I want to push multiple values at a time. Open the Postman now. Arey yaar, it is loading. See, actually, when we are, okay, using the four major things: Postman, Spring Tool Suite, MySQL, Google Chrome. Okay, four softwares are the most heaviest softwares in the Windows application, and we are using those four only. Okay, that's why our laptops are going like running like a crazy. Okay, so please bear with the speed of the laptops. We need a patience. Okay, and here we are having some biryanis, no? So these biryanis created by yesterday, no? Created in yesterday. Copy these biryanis and open. Okay, here we have to add biryani slash add all. Okay, we want to add multiple biryanis at a time, na? Wait, it is loading again. And guys, many people are trying to add the trying to add the content in the request body, but nobody is mentioning the content type as a application JSON. Okay, content type application JSON is a mandatory to push the data. Okay, because we are using the JSON type of data. Okay, JSON stands for, what is the full form of JSON, guys? Full form of JSON.
JavaScript object notation.
Yeah, very good. So JavaScript object notation, we are using the JSON type of data in the request body, right? So you have to mention the content type. Okay, so I'm using the content type JSON, so please work with the JSON type of data. Okay, we have to inform the Spring Boot application to store, na? Okay, content type is mandatory when you are posting the data. Okay, remember. So here we have to we have to send the list of biryanis. So I'm using the list here. Okay, list of biryanis. We have to mention the any number of biryanis you can. Okay, and come to the headers. Okay, you can see by defaultly, okay, my content type is added. Okay, I'm trying to delay this. Okay, delete this. Okay, if I deleted this, no, so you can see the body is in the normal text type. The content looks like a normal text. Okay, so you cannot push normal text into the database. Okay, you have to mention it in the one proper format. That proper format should be either XML or JSON. Okay, we are not using the SOAP APIs. If you are using SOAP APIs, if you are creating SOAP APIs, then you can work with the XML type of data. But here we are using the REST APIs. So we have to create the JSON format data to push the into the database. Okay, so click on the header. So here in the key value, please type content type. Okay, content type. No, not content MD5, content type. Okay, and here we have to type the JSON. Okay, application slash JSON. Okay, and we mentioned the header. Okay, this header, content type header, is very important, guys. Remember, when you are pushing the code. Okay, now you can see, okay, the content looks like a the basic JSON format. Okay, now send the content. Send it. Okay, we are sending list of biryanis to the database. It will take some time because it has to communicate with the database and everything, no? And let's open console to check with the errors. Okay, no error as of now. Okay, it is sending the data. Okay, all biryanis added successfully. Now here, okay, in our database, okay, let's let's print the all the biryanis that available. Okay. Okay, guys, please wait. Presun sir is calling. Sir. Sir, good morning. Sir. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. I got an important call from the head. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so actually something has happened. Okay, so here we got the message called all biryani is added successfully, and you can check the console of our application. So here in the console, okay, you can see, okay, there is no error in our console. Okay, just Tomcat server is started on the 4200 port. That's it. Okay, now I want to see whether the content, okay, whether the content of the postman is updated in the our database or not. Okay, we have to check for it. Okay, so what is the SQL query to check contents of the one table? So I want to see the different rows of a table. What is the command? Did you remember that, guys?
Select star from table name.
Yeah, the basic command, you know that. Select star from biryani. Okay, select star from biryani and just run this. Let's check whether we are getting the values or not. It is fetching the data. Okay, so actually, okay, so it is showing zero rows returned. Okay, we are not getting any data here, but the data is pushed. Okay, so we have to make some changes maybe. Okay, some changes in the application. Let's check what is happening inside of the data. Okay, so actually the biryani is added successfully. Now try to get the biryanis. Okay, try to get all biryanis. Okay, so what is the thing to retrieve all the biryanis? Okay, biryani slash, that's it. Biryani and slash and run. Sending request. It is taking so much time. Come on. Actually, we have to retrieve all the data here, no? Let's check whether we are getting the thing or not. Okay, we are getting the values here. Okay, we are getting the values here, but still, okay, I think still we are using some Derby. Okay, let's check. We are not using Derby, no? We are using MySQL connector. The thing should be upload here, but okay, give me a moment. I'll try to relaunch the application. Oh, okay, guys, did you find anything issue, any issue here? Actually, the thing what is happening here is, okay, actually our application is running on 4200 port, right? But we are pushing the content to 8080 port. That's the issue. That's why we are not getting the values in the MySQL. Okay, so did you remember we changed the port number? No, we changed the port number to 4200, right? Okay, but we are using 8080. 8080 is running with Apache Derby software. Okay, that's why the changes made locally. So here we have to change the port number also, no? So this is the one issue you have to remember every time. You have to make sure the port number where your application is running on. Okay, I'm using the same port number which is not running actually. Okay, so we are running with the port number 4200, right? You can see in the console. Okay, we are running the port number with 4200. Okay, but here you can see in the postman, okay, we are running 8080 port number. Okay, this is the issue. Okay, 8080 is our old application. Okay, this is our new application, no? So in the new application we are using 4200 as our port. So here we have to change the port number 4200. Okay, 4200. Now I want to add all the biryanis. Add all. Okay, and we have to post it. Okay, and click on the send. Let's see whether it is added to the database or not. Okay, all biryani is added. Now let's check with the console. Here in the console, you can see, okay, so biryani is inserted. Okay, you can see the queries, no? You can see the queries here. Okay, now we can open the MySQL. Now you can run the table. Okay, so here we got the biryanis. Okay, so methi chaman biryani. Okay, so and so we are getting. Okay, this is how you have to do it, guys. Okay, so to work with MySQL along with the Spring Boot application. Okay, to work with MySQL and Spring Boot application along with JPA properties. Okay, along with JPA properties, you have to use something. Okay, so guys, remember, so we are using the two different values. Okay, two different tasks we are performing, right? So the first task is nothing but, okay, adding the MySQL connector J in the form.xml, and the second one is nothing but, okay, adding the application properties. Okay, adding the application properties. You have to design the project like a same. Okay, no need to worry about anything. Okay, no need to change anything. Okay, you just need to update the project with two different pages, two different Java pages. One is application properties that you are using. Okay, in the application properties, we have to set all the configuration for our SQL. Okay, and in the form.xml, we need to add, okay, the what is that? The MySQL connector J. Okay, so just wait. Why it is taking so much time to respond? You can see. Okay, this is the form.xml, no? So in the form.xml, you can see, wait, it is loading. Where is our form.xml? Okay, it actually, the form.xml is opening here. Here is the form.xml. Okay, so here in the form.xml, why you are opening like this? So here you can see I added MySQL connector J in the place of Apache Derby software. Guys, remember, when you are using the MySQL, please make sure you have deleted the Apache Derby from the form.xml. Okay, don't mention Apache Apache Derby along with MySQL connector. Okay, if you are working with two databases, okay, there is some ambiguity for the Spring Boot application. Okay, there must be an ambiguity. Okay, so don't mention two databases in the form.xml. When you are using the Apache Derby, please remove the MySQL. Okay, if you want to work with MySQL, please remove the Apache Derby. Okay, you have to mention only one dependency, guys. Okay, only one database. Okay, here I'm using MySQL connector J. You can see. Okay, I removed the Apache Derby software, Apache Derby. Okay, let's close this. And this is the first task you have to create, you have to done, okay, to work with the MySQL. And the second part you have to create is the application properties. Okay, so you will get the application properties. Okay, you will get the application properties if you are if you are creating a Spring Starter project. Okay, if you create a Spring Starter project, application properties will created by the Spring Boot automatically. No need to create the application properties by yourself. You have to write something in the application properties. That's it. Okay, we are creating the Spring Starter project only, right? That means we are creating the Spring Boot application from the scratch. We are not creating a one Maven project and converting the Maven project into the Spring Boot application. We are creating the Spring Boot application directly without using the Maven. Remember that. Okay, so when you created the Spring Boot application directly, you will get application properties, okay, by default. Okay, this particular file created by default by the Spring Boot. So here you have to add some properties. Okay, that properties is, you can see here. Okay, we have to add, okay, 4 database properties. One is driver class name, one is URL, one is username, one is password. Okay, these 4 are the related to the database, and we have to set, okay, JPA properties also. the JPA properties. Okay, JPA database platform, that means dialect we have to set, and make sure about the spelling, uppercase and lowercase also matter here. Okay, we used okay y as a capital letter, that's why I mean we are unable to get the value. Okay, so I mean in the first run we got the error, no? So you have to change. Okay, please make sure. Okay, we are getting the errors only because of the use, I mean the uppercase and lowercase letters. Guys, remember one thing: when you are creating the objects, when you are creating the variables, you have to use the okay camel case coding. That's it. That camel case coding you have to know. That's very important. Okay, so after setting the database dialect, we have to set okay three optional properties. These three, okay: Hibernate DDL auto, Hibernate show, I mean sorry, show SQL, and server port. These three properties are the optional cases. These are not mandatory cases. You can remember this. Okay, so if you want to create the tables by Hibernate, you can mention Hibernate DDL auto. If you create the table automatically from your MySQL server, I mean from your MySQL workbench, then okay, you no need to mention the Hibernate HTL DT2 auto. Okay, and if you want to see the SQL that running behind the Hibernate layer, you can use the show SQL equal to true. If you don't want to see the SQL properties, you can make it as a false. And okay, if you are running multiple applications at a time, you have to change the port number, because only one application can run on one port. Okay, 8080 is already using by the Apache Derby. Okay, that's why we are unable to run on 8080. So that's why I changed the my port number to 4200. Okay, guys, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are the four major properties that we have to write with the SQL? These are the four properties you have to remember: driver class name, URL, username, and password. Okay, and okay, we have to write one JPA property, that is database platform. Remember, guys. So just give me a moment. I will copy this and paste it in the notepad that you can clear more and see more clearly. Okay, these are the properties: data source, driver class name, URL, username, password, and database platform. Okay, these three are optional, guys. These three are optional. These five are important. Okay, in the five, okay, these four are the database properties. These four are the database properties, and this is the JPA properties, and these are also JPA properties but optional properties. Okay, and this is the this one is the property of Spring Boot. Spring Boot property, it is JPA properties. Okay, these are SQL properties. Okay, remember these properties. Guys, is this clear? Any doubt in the connecting MySQL? So we are using the same application. We created the Biryani software, Biryani management. Okay, Biryani wala, MBA Biryani wala project na. So in the MBA Biryani wala project, okay, so actually yesterday we used the Apache Derby software, but right now we are using MySQL. That means we are using the central database. You can see the central database. We are having the data, all the data in the SQL. You can see here. Just wait, it is loading. Okay, we are having the data. Okay, now I want to fetch the value. I want to fetch the biryanis which is less than 350 rupees. Okay, I want to fetch the biryanis which is less than 350 rupees. Okay, so how to fetch the elements? We have write one controller na. So biryani with price, I think so. Okay, biryani and range. Okay, slash biryani slash range, and there we have to give the price. Okay, so let me get the biryanis which is less than 350 rupees. Please wait a bit, it is loading. What's happening with this? Guys, any doubts? Ketan, Rupa, Divya, Indu, Ganesha, is this okay? Preeti,
Yes, sir. I tried.
got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, as of now, better to work with Apache Derby. If you know the syntax now, if you are very clear about the syntax, then only please work with MySQL. If you are not good enough in writing the syntax of these REST APIs, please use Apache Derby only. Don't use MySQL. Okay, range. I want to fetch the biryanis which is less than 350 rupees. Okay, and we want to retrieve the details, so we can use the get method here. Okay, send. Okay, let's see whether we are getting the values or not. Taking time. Let's see whether we are getting the errors or not. Actually, we have to get it, but let's wait. Arey yaar, what's happening? I don't know what's happening with my laptop today. Why? Okay, it is still on running, no? Okay. Okay. Okay, here we got it. Okay. So we got the biryanis which is less than 350 rupees, you can see. Okay. So Donne chicken biryani which cost around 300 rupees. Okay, and Hyderabadi dum biryani which is 250 rupees. Okay, we got the biryanis which is less than 350 rupees. Okay, and I want to fetch the only the veg biryanis. Okay, I'm kind of a veg version. Okay, I want to fetch only the veg biryanis. Okay, so our veg or vegan, I think we have vegan, no, not veg. Okay, type. Now it will take some time because here Spring Boot will have to respond. After responding the Spring Boot, we have to get a clearance from the MySQL also. That's why it is taking some time. Okay, here you can see which is a vegan methi chawan biryani which cost around 350 rupees, and we got the Jaikade mushroom biryani which is 380 rupees. Okay, we got the biryanis which is only the veg. Okay, yeah, this is how you have to create the REST APIs with a central database, guys. Remember, we are using the MySQL. Okay, so all the data, all the changes will be done in the MySQL only. That's why I am requesting you, if you are okay with the syntax, if you are okay with the syntax of Spring Boot application, then only use this particular MySQL syntax and everything. Okay, if you want to work with MySQL, you have to work with two different things. One is I forgot what are the two different tasks that we have to perform, guys? I forgot, tell me. Astuosh, Ganesha, not Ganesha. I don't want to listen from regular people. Shika Sharma, what are the two different tasks that we have to work with MySQL? Guys, are you there? Am I audible? Hello? Okay. Tell me. Other than regular people, I want to listen it from the new. guys, Gunjan, Sahana, Prashant. Hello, what happened? Hello. Yes, somebody unmute. Priyanshu, are you there? Yogesh?
Yes, sir.
I'm in
Okay.
confusion. Am I audible? My
Yes, sir.
screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. But why are you so silent? I'm asking you what are the two different steps that we have to take to work with MySQL.
Sir, first we have to mention one dependency, and after that we have to create an application file in which we
Oh,
mention our whole
we have to
configuration.
create the application file or it will comes default.
Sir, when we create a sprint starter project, so it come default.
Okay. Very good. Mm. So, okay. To change the port number, what is the property? What is the property we use it to change the port number?
Server.port, sir.
Server.port. Okay. What are the four different properties that we have to mention for MySQL?
Sir, driver class name,
Very good.
URL, username and password.
That's it. Okay, so we have to mention four important properties in the MySQL, that is, okay, driver class name, URL, username and password. Very good. Okay. And these three properties are the JPA properties. Okay, in these three properties, the first one, Spring Data Platform, is the mandatory one, and these two are alternate. I mean, optional. I can say these are optional. Okay, yeah, very good. Hmm. So, is this clear for everyone? Can I get a clarification? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
about others? Preeti, Sahana, Shika, Suras,
Yes, sir.
Renu?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So, if you are having any errors, no, if you are having any issues or any errors, please let me know now. Okay. So, how many of you completed the lab day task? Priyanshu, Ganesha, okay. I think I can see Kathan also. Hmm. Okay. So guys, remember one thing. By the tomorrow morning 10 o'clock, I want to see, okay, at least 17. Okay, Shika, very good. Okay, at least 17 to 20 responses on the lab day task. You have to push it in the GitHub at any cost. Okay, because this Spring, okay, so you have to practice a lot. Okay, if you forgot to practice the Spring application, okay, it's not like a Hibernate. Okay, Spring is so heavy. Okay, so we have to work on so many things. We have to work on the Spring security, that means OAuth or JWT token, and we have to work on the testing part as well. Okay, so we'll create some REST APIs and we have to test it, no? So to test the REST APIs, we need to we need to work with different ones, something like Mockito. Okay, Mockito is a testing framework, and if possible we have to work on Sonar Cube. Okay, so these are the somewhat advanced testing tools for the Spring application. Okay, JUnit is not enough, okay, to test the Spring application. JUnit is not enough. We have to learn some advanced framework like Mockito or a Sonar Cube. Okay, Sonar Cube is the best one. Okay, we'll try to understand the Sonar Cube and everything later. Okay, by the Diwali, you have to clear about the Spring and REST APIs. That's it. By Diwali. Okay, after coming from the Diwali, we can start front end and testing part for Spring application as well. Okay, so I need a good cooperation from you, so you have to respond, you have to complete the task on time. Is that okay? Can I get the GitHub links by the morning, by tomorrow morning?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Still you
sir.
have 1 day to complete. Okay then, good. Okay, so
Sir, two repository biryani wala and shopping.
no, one is enough.
One is enough.
Yeah, so I want, guys, remember, you can complete either biryani wala or shopping application. I need a 6 REST APIs, that's it. Okay, you can create your application either biryani wala or product application. Okay, I need a 6 REST APIs. I want to see 6 REST APIs, that's it. I want to understand the structure, that's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can create any type of application according to your choice, either biryani wala or product application, or you can create your own application as well. Okay, so that's based on your creativity, but I want to get the structure of application, that's it. Okay, use case is not a mandatory na, the structure is mandatory na. Okay, yeah. Nishant, any doubts, any issues? Rahul, as of now? Guys, see, most people, okay, making the mistakes in the, okay, in the naming the variables, using the coding guidelines, that's it. Okay, you know how to use, you know the structure, you know how to create the controller, service, repository and everything, but only minor mistakes, very very minor mistakes, that is, okay, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, only those things you have to take some extra concentration, you have to take some extra, okay, care about those things. Okay, see, Priyanshu missed only one bloody I, right? So Priyanshu mentioned capital I in the place of small I, na, Priyanshu. So that's the only thing that Priyanshu.